Hello, I'm Rick Patterson, author and creator of The Handyman Toolbox. I am so glad that you're here. Today I'm going to share with you how to change an air filter in an air conditioning unit. Alright, first off you're going to want to locate the container of the trap door, if you will. This is magnetized and the air filter is just inside. So first thing I want you to do, if you've never done this before, is look for the airflow. The airflow is going through the house up this way. So through the return, we're going to go ahead and get this out. Now I'm going to be more careful putting it in, but you see how dirty this is. Oh my gosh. All right, so that's the dirty one. All right, and let me reach in front here. This is the clean one. So you see the difference here. I'm going to show you side by side. Dirty, clean. All right, so let's make arrangements to get the clean one inside now. Okay, so I've located the arrow, the correct position for this to work. So we'll go ahead and now open up the door again. Going to find the track that it fits in, like so. And goes to the very top. I'm going to get this past the door jamb because it is a little bit tight right there, and now it's seated. So it's ready to go. Close the door, turn the unit back on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so that's how you change out an air filter in an air conditioning. Get rid of the old stuff and throw that away. Breathe fresh, clean air. Yay! See you next time. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to watch other DIY home improvement videos just like this one, and then come and discover what we're doing on the Handyman Toolbox with features just like these. See you there.